Guys, yo guys, I'm late.
This is fighting at its funniest and most chaotic.
Nobody cares. No, ask why.
Say hello to the night with Zen After Dark.
I
Earn
know.
double rewards points.
I'm late. No, I'm late. Oh, frick. Sorry if I spoiled it. Bro, I've seen this all. Where's the glitch? Yoink, yoink.
We are worker drones, autonomous robots
And I
helping humans mine exoplanets for our interstellar parent
you
company,
killed them.
J.C. Jensen
Ow, you
in
killed them.
space. Yeah, we were mistreated in the name of Windex, but it's not like we revolted and killed all humans or anything.
That's what I said.
They handled that just fine all by themselves.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. Honk. Don't ask why I honked. It's Christmas. Oh, Santa, that's my present? Oh, they survived though. And
With
goodbye.
biological life wiped from the
What do
planet,
they do?
we found it pretty easy to pick up where they left off. We finally had a future,
Yoinka.
all to ourselves.
Baby! I'm trading little bit for you.
Unfortunately,
What the frick?
our parent
What the
company
river creek?
didn't
What the
exactly
river creek just
love
happened?
the concept of
What the
runaway
river creek just
AI.
happened? Keep scunners. Who's you? Who's you? I'm just kidding. I know all of them. It's J, B, and N. What was that laugh? Why did you really have to laugh? What? Okay, whatever. No, the baby. They left their baby. Why did they do that? Ouch.
But what have our parents done for the past forever while those things
Bad
build a
thing.
spire of corpses? Hide under the ice behind three
Okay, you look
stupid
like
doors?
Grape.
It's like we're waiting for an inciting incident.
Uzi, shut up. Uzi, shut up. You look like grape, Miss Emo. You look like grape. So shut up, please.
Anyway, that's why my project is this sick as hell railgun. Easy, morons. It doesn't work. Yet. It doesn't work yet. Who said it doesn't work? Maybe it does.
Okay, so Uzi's a psychopath.
Uzi, the homework was a word problem.
She was named after a freaking gun? Hold on, let me show you what a freaking Uzi gun is. Okay, hold on. Look! She was named after a freaking gun! She was named after a gun! Oh, wait, no, wait. What? Oh, they got a pen. I'm at... Oh, Uzi! Yo, I didn't know she was... I didn't know there was freaking... I didn't know you can buy her on the store. Wait. Were those real guns? Hold on. Oh, no. Okay, good. Let's see if we can find the grape. Can we find the grape? Okay, the grape isn't here.
About buying watermelons?
Oh, and
What do you mean, watermelons? She looks like an old man now. The grape turned into a man. But watermelons are the best.
this magnetically amplified photon converter doesn't count?
No. Plus, repressed emotional baggage was only worth 2 points on the rubric.
Why does he know like
And
that?
is it supposed to be that color?
Uh-oh. Goodbye. Yoink. God, a freaking bird scare. Hold on, wait. Let me see. Frick you. You suck. Now I have to look at this more.
Points on the rubric. And is it supposed to be that color?
Goodbye. What happened? Don't wash your hands, you're a robot? Yeah? Okay, I'm not saying that. What? Miss? You're a robot. You don't need.
Classic toxic masculinity, Chad. That's never gonna end up problematic. Oh,
You never
wow,
see Chad.
Uzi? I heard you,
I'm an angsty teen fad, bite me. Also, how do you know my
First
name?
one.
People willingly talk to you.
well, I'd say everyone knows Khan's daughter, but, maybe right below the other half of your
Khan.
face off.
Oh, I thought it was K-Han.
Crippling daddy issues.
Well, it's
Hilarious.
Khan. Frick you,
What are you in
Khan.
for? Testosterone
He
too
makes
hard?
doors.
That can happen?
Drone.
Awesome. Hey, those bandages
What
look
about the
pretty
young
badass.
bungy drones?
So, what's the,
Sick as hell railgun? Sci-fi nonsense. That super works. I'm sneaking to the murder drone lair tonight to get the last spare part I need to save the world with it and earn my dad's respect and stuff. But
I thought you
the
were say
wrong
a
part.
real bad word.
Oh, but doesn't your dad make awesome
Demonetize!
doors so we don't have to, do
They're
that
coming.
scary sounding emotionally repressed stuff you just said?
26 minutes is crazy.
I'm sorry, I didn't think.
Second one. Second bite me.
you, by the way.
Yes, you are.
Generally hormonal.
Yes, you are. Thumbs up. Why is there so much snow? 3 a.m. Yoink. Why is your hair so messy? Immediately grabbed it. Doors! Why is there so
Get
many
more
doors?
crypto for your cash and set up recurring buys starting at just $1.
Shut
Get started today.
Whoa, shut up. I don't care. I don't care. I already know how to drive. I don't care how to drive. Freaking moron. I must copy now. I must copy the grape. Bite. Okay, honestly, I'm just copying the grape now. The grape, calling it a grape. Uzi.
Where might you be off to?
Oh, so
Sneaking out to make out with my boyfriend that I definitely have.
What?
Seriously though.
Okay, you caught me. I need to measure the exterior hydraulic mechanisms of door 1 because that's
What?
the project I'm working on for school. A big old door. Just black walk my old
Is the school? Yoink, yoink.
want to join the WDF and hide behind doors like cowards while playing cards and stuff.
Well, we don't just play cards.
Khan, can you grab a fresh pack? We literally only play cards so much that the numbers are faded. Oh, hey Uzi.
How does everyone know we're dating it?
When you build doors, so good. Good door. Good door. There's no need to
What?
fight. Uzi,
The frick?
this is
Sorry, never
great
frick.
news.
Dang
Here,
iPads.
the wrench I used to tighten bolts on my first door prototypes. Fell out of misery when the murder drones got to her with that nice ass. I want you to have it.
You guys, I'm gonna touch. Wait, hold on, guys. I must touch grass. Okay, I'm not gonna face reveal again, like I did last time. Oh, okay. So it's time for me to touch grass, just to freaking show you that I'm in nature. Oh my god. Oh my god, you can barely see it. Okay. Yeah. Hold on. My gosh, go away! Hold on. Wait, okay. Grass. I touched grass, everybody. I finally touched grass! Okay, frick you. That was an absolute waste of time. I know you can't see anything because I have a freaking... What is it called again? I don't know.
Therapy's fun.
Frick you.
Guys, my daughter is into doors.
Yeah! Oh.
She's gonna be outside for a bit to examine the exterior of door 1. Your door-specific destiny
Door
awaits.
Nice.
Wow. Okay,
love
I'm just gonna leave then. Because this worked so weirdly well. Go doors!
Why is Bro so white? He's white. He's
They
white
grow up
chocolate.
so fast.
What? Your mustache. So is she secretly bald? Is she secretly bald? So she's secretly bald. Where's her mummy? Where's her mummy gummy? Where's her mummy gummy though? Where is her mummy gummy? Okay, so late. Oh. Tiny Bro got destroyed. And I still don't know what that is. What is that? Guys, I think I see something moving over there. I see like a white thing bouncing. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Haha, I bet you got trolled. I bet you got trolled. I bet you thought it was a Pong chain. I'm just, bro. Okay, I'm not even talking about this. So she's using it as hot potato? How would she even know? Oh. Why are your wings so giant? Yoink. What is that? It's a murder drone. Hurry up. Now! You could. And goodbye. Dumsy will die. Goodbye. Dumsy, why would you go out? Why did you go out? Backflip! Anime battle!
They said pirating all that anime was useless.
Yoink. Bonk. Where'd you go? Goodbye. Yoink. Here I have your railgun, Dumsy. An 8-ounce. Guys, if you see the mods, like that says Megalodon or like different dinosaurs, go to Sloth Creations and shut up. And Kai's Workshop on YouTube. And Vulture Works, so you can get them too, because they are sick. They are sick, bro. I'm not even doing murder drones right now. I'm just trying to freaking show you her dang railgun. That's the same dang sound. So it's also called Purple Railgun. Well, it's freaking great. Well, I think it was called. Yeah. Just search up freaking the name. Ew, how did it not crash? Whatever. She's going in snow. Because I don't know why murder drones, there's like a billion pounds of snow. Where are you, Lucy? Where are you? There you are. Yeah, it's not even purple. Just. Hold on, let's see what happens to him now. No, I've already seen what happens to him now, but high, low. Oh! I didn't remember that happening. He's just legs! Melon, no! Uzi, what have you done? Come on. My iPad. I dropped it. Where's N? How dare you kill Melon? What? She's still alive? Where's Jay? Jay, where'd you go? Oh, we know. Okay, without you, Dawson and Jay. Bro, what? How is she still alive? Goodbye. Yes. No, bye-bye. Ah. Okay. enough playing around.
Holy hell! Suck on that, Dad!
What? He's regenerating. Honk, 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 honk.
Did you just slap me
Honk.
with that arm?
Holy crap, it talks.
Slap me with that arm. Okay.
Jablonski
Holy.
Auto Body, LLC.
Yo, that's what scared me.
Yeah, sorry, it's just my
Okay, get out of here.
head kinda hurts. Hey,
I'm
are you
not
new to our
watching
squad?
the
You're a
second
little,
episode because I don't know why I'm in nature.
short
I
for
don't
a
know
disassembly
why.
drone.
Why am I in nature?
I'm Serial Designation N. Nice to meet you. I'm kind of the leader of the squad in this city. That's not true. Everyone tells me I'm useless and terrible. Wait, I'm not supposed to tell you that part. Biscuits. Well, honesty is the best policy. I also can't seem to remember the past 3 hours of my life, but I'm sure that'll sort itself out.
Where do they go when they die?
Uh-huh. I have to go.
Goodbye.
Stuck yourself? Just stop it in your mouth. Our saliva neutralizes the nanites. Otherwise, I'd be constantly disassembling myself.
And by our saliva, you mean disassembly drone? Right. Hey, let's go in that landing pod over there.
Sure, I love doing anything.
Hey, yo! What? The frick? Why are you looking at me like I did something? Why are you looking at me like I did something? Bruh, Uzi. Why are you looking at me like I did something? I just don't know why I'm in nature. That another bird scared me. Bird scare. Instead of jump scare, it's a bird scare. Bro, why are you looking at me like me did something? Why me?
Right. Hey, let's go in that landing pod
Now
over
you
there.
said right to me. Frick you.
Sure, I love doing anything.
Why did I forget what N looked like? Any
Sweet, I'm open to new things, I guess.
We are never talking about this.
Talking about what? Consider it, repressed.
You mentioned other members of her squad? Are they coming back soon?
Oh, yeah, 2 others. Yeah, they're out hunting for a bit, but you'll love them. First, there's V.
Oh,
Please don't
you
leave
look
my own eggshells in
gorgeous.
front of my family!
Why don't you eat the other one? Oh, same N.
And yet, I still feel
Alright,
nothing.
So,
twitch.
V, I heard this planet-wide
I'll be
toxic
more
death storm
dangerous
supposed
than
to
you.
be
I'm
especially
gonna eat your head off,
inhospitable
okay?
tonight.
Okay, and I'll rip you apart. Okay,
No
whatever,
worries,
she-
I'm
My
in.
prey escaped.
A whole letter is a lot to remember. So obviously
right
a lot of mutual
behind
respect
me.
there, but secretly, I actually kind of have a crush on her. You can't tell her, okay?
What? What did you say?
Then there's Jay, our leader. I actually kind of have a crush on
What
her.
the
You
heck
can't tell
did
her,
you
okay?
What?
So obviously a lot of mutual respect there, but secretly, I actually kind of have a crush on her. You can't tell her, okay?
Let me kill. Bro, she's gonna kill Uzi.
Then there's Jay, our leader.
And you're worthless and terrible. And if the company allowed it, I would straight up kill you myself.
Jay's awesome. Then
do you
there's Jay,
mean?
our leader.
And you're worthless and terrible. And if the company allowed it, I would straight up kill you
Why
myself.
you sound like me choking
Jay's
when I
awesome.
freaking swallow a grape?
Let me give you the tour. Outside of the corpse.
You know what? You know what I want to kind of react to? I want to... Oh, frick. Cat Quetzalcoatlus Jurassic World Rebirth?
We all do it. You see a line and wonder, should I join it? Even crazy is that folks stick with insurance that keeps them waiting around to file a claim, while Geico's claim support is available day or night. What are you waiting for?
No one knows.
It feels good to step out of line. It
Show
feels good to
V,
Geico.
who's a real apex predator. It might get copyrighted, but yeah. I'm gonna show V. I'm gonna show V who the real apex predator is. Yep. That's V. That's it, V. You're getting eaten. How? Now. Now, V, you have been eaten. What if V actually got eaten? Just for this to get that guy. Yeah, bro, this traumatized me actually. But when I saw this, I was like, what? Yeah, this was so traumatizing. Okay, shut up, please. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Now, back to Owens.
Can't tell her, okay? Can't tell her, okay?
Shut up. Glenn.
And then there's Jay, our leader.
And
oh my
you're
gosh, I don't
worthless
want to
and
see this
terrible.
again.
And if the company allowed it, I would straight up kill you myself.
Jay's awesome.
And I'll
Let me
swallow
give you
you
the tour.
whole too.
Outside of the corpse.
I'll probably choke.
Thingies.
I'll probably
And here
choke
are the
for 10 years though, and die.
This is just a...
Outside of the corpse. Wall thingies. And here are the buttons.
This is just
You
a
don't do
landing
nothing.
pod. This is a spaceship. This could get us off the planet.
More of a one-use missile. They never taught us how to land.
No, the worker drones. We could work with them to fix this instead of all the murder.
One-use missile
Which,
on
why are we doing that again?
Other than ingesting their
Bro,
sweet
why
oil
is
to avoid
N the
overheating and dying?
Instead of all the murder.
What?
Which, why are we doing that again?
Other than ingesting their warm, sweet oil to avoid overheating and dying? I guess I just want to be useful. I was given a job, and I always want to try my best.
And look at all the respect it's gotten you, N. You really think the company isn't going to dispose...
The first worker drone seen standing on their hind legs. Yo. The first worker drone seen standing on their hind legs. Yo. By walking all fours. The first one. I don't breathe, guys. I'm a secret ocean bacteria, and if I breathe, I will die. If Mr. Beast comments, I'll breathe and die and never post again. I'm just kidding. I'm not a freaking secret ocean bacteria. And I always breathe every day. Oh. Stupid fly. Bro, why is she looking at me like I did something again?
Once all the workers are dead?
Oh my, you sure are rebellious. It's kind of exciting. It's, but not as fun as,
What do you mean?
Following the rules. Hey, they're back.
Run. Yep, she got out here. Why are you so rude to him? What do you do?
Yo,
No, but
I got a worker out there.
Oh,
I want to practice balloon animal shapes with. What happened here?
What?
Synergistic life.
Balloon animal shapes? What do you mean? Why is it staring straight into my soul again? Look at V. They're both staring into my soul. You know what? I'll swallow you both together. You know, that's what I would do. Because you keep staring into my soul.
Ability here must have tripped
Please
and knocked himself offline.
I mean, I've done that before. I've tripped and knocked myself out. But why is slipping and tripping even a thing? Why are you acting like I slapped you?
Moron box. Hello.
Honk, honk.
You really think the company isn't going to dispose of you once all the workers are dead?
Oh.
Where do they actually go? So what actually happened? I'm gonna search that one up.
You know, I left an extremely dangerous weapon, an excuse outside.
Or are they just in white?
Trade on your terms, day or night, with 24/7 customer support. Download
Shut
the
up,
Robin
you
Hood app to
stupid
get started
AI!
today.
Oh, what am I looking at?
Chat, what is this?
Chat, what is this?
Oh, I don't care.
You know, I left an extremely
What is
dangerous
that
weapon, an excuse outside.
Okay, don't look at me like I did something. What did I? Bro, why are you looking at me like I did something? They're staring straight into my soul. Honk. Okay, whatever. Let me just read the dang freaking flag. Literally so insanely suspicious. You look suspicious, miss. 2 misses, 3 Why do you look so angry? I'll eat you. I'm gonna eat your head off. Whatever. Bro, stop!
I am out.
Okay, now he's looking at me.
Oh, gosh darn it.
Why are
You
they all
wait
looking
until
at
my
me?
loving wife and kids hear about this.
Close it! Close it!
Close it! Oh. Honk? It's a rare species of goose. Don't worry, guys. Guys, don't worry. It's just a goose. It's just a goose. He wants to get in or he will die. Bro, let him in. Let the goose in. Please, let the freaking bird in.
Hey, fellas.
Oh, that's not a bird.
Deal me in. I love running.
The bird can,
Wait,
the bird
no.
can talk.
I'm going to murder
The
everyone.
goose can talk.
Rain check.
Goodbye. Whee! Yoink, run! Run, you bun bun.
Gin rummy?
POV when you have to. Boy, you have no riz. What? That's how you're gonna die. Goodbye. Yo, with me, I crawl on all fours too. I crawl on all fours. Yeah. I'm kidding. I stand on my dang hind leg. I hate my life. JK. I hate V and J because they stare into my soul. Looks like.
Say my name aloud so far, so I'm just letting you
Bro!
know.
Don't worry, the goose just wants a hug. Look! He just wanted a hug. Now he's split you in half. He just wanted a hug. Frick you. Why didn't you give the goose a dang hug? You should have gave the goose a freaking hug. Then he wouldn't kill all of you.
Pretty
You
nice
guys
eyes
are
rolling.
really animal abusers.
What have you done? What have you done?
Bro, I didn't do. Bro! Yo, you kind of flexible.
This time I won't.
Oh my god! Nobody cares.
Sorry. I really enjoyed our time together.
Oh my god.
I can't have you shooting V with that thing.
Wait, Dad, get down.
Who's you let a
I
murder
want
drone
V to
here?
freaking die. She stares into my soul.
Now is so not the time. I messed up. In the same way I'm about to fix
Dad?
it. Move, Dad. Move, Dad.
Gaita.
Dad, point and shoot. Trust me.
Hurry. Honestly, don't trust her. Don't. Honestly, don't do it because.
Dad?
Yeah. Yeah, she ain't your daughter. Oh, I kind of feel bad for her. About all the other workers room. Oh, she's cooked.
Whoa, Ben.
Oh no.
Am I dreaming or did you
stole
do something
the
not
soul stairs.
useful once?
I've been trying to get past those doors for months.
Why are they so tall? Look at them. They are so tall. Wonder how tall they are in real life. Like, why the heck do they have to be so tall? Like, ah! I'm a short king. No, my son. No, my little brother is a short king. But why the frick is V so tall? And it looks like the freaking first scene in Jurassic World Rebirth where the T-Rex absolutely devours that freaking Snicker boy.
You need name.
Good. And they finally don't stare into your soul.
Easily get us around this last door. With buddy.
Now we're gonna
Count eats a missile.
Way to go, stud. The company's gonna love this. With this colony wiped, we'll make top team this quarter for sure.
With that, a freaking classic piece.
Branded.
You know, I can't wait to keep murdering all these, maybe
Honestly,
not
so far,
actually different
I hate
from us
these.
worker drones,
She
but
stares
just
into
out
my
of curiosity,
soul.
do we actually,
They both stare into my soul.
know what the company plans to do with us afterwards?
Bro, when I watched episode 8, she was honestly
you need to unlock
the
your
only,
best
that was
workout.
the only good part. That was the only good part of her because she didn't stare into my soul.
Okay, so a worker earlier suggested that they could fix up our landing pod to escape the planet and stuff, which, whoa, hey,
I'm sorry
that's
if I
against the rules!
spoiled it for you.
But it is kind of making me question
you
why
mean?
our pods were only one way in the first place.
you just broke
Because,
the rules.
you know, I get the
So why
feeling
you
the
saying-
company doesn't actually love robots and, like, we
She
might
stole.
be robots.
She's still staring into my soul.
Cool how
You know what
immediately I could tell.
Bro, if I could make anything in the world,
Questioning the company?
it would be
You just
Jay
finally gave
and
me the
V
excuse
to
I
stop staring
needed.
into my soul. Goodbye.
Worker drones are corrupted and
Burning.
that's why the company sent us.
Goodbye.
I hate to see you corrupted as well.
Thanks, Jay.
You don't even have
Always
me.
looking out for me. You're awesome.
I'm thirsty. I want agua. Oh, she used an ender pearl. Nice. How is she not bleeding now?
Biscuits. I'm sorry. I ruined your card game, then made you have an awkward moment with your dad.
And I made you rebel like an angsty teen, which got you killed. Though you also tried to kill me, so morality calls this a draw.
Bro, I just swallowed part of my leftover food and...
For the record, that was the lamest heel-face turn in history. Was that supposed to be you switching sides?
Being rebellious is a lot harder than it looks. Thanks for showing me the ropes.
Nuh-uh, no bonding thing. You just killed a bunch of people, idiot.
That's super fair. I screwed up.
In the same way you're about to fix it.
I love doing anything.
Now she's staring into my face.
We found our evacuation spot.
Where'd
What
she go?
if we build a quick door?
She's gone for here. She's gone for here.
Are you kidding me? You're the WDF, right? Defend!
Bro, she's just staring straight at you.
For real?
And the pearl! Another pearl! Yo, ender pearl!
You're the WDF,
Why
right?
is everyone using ender pearls?
For real?
Look, ender pearl. Ender pearl. Why does everyone use ender pearls? Why is your tongue out? Hey, yo. Bro, why they keep using ender pearls? Like, can you not use ender pearls for once? Bro. Hi, Jessie Lulu. Okay, whatever. My sister hates me. I hate her back. And you, V. But this is the only time where I don't hate you at all. I still kind of hate you at this part. Because you still stare into my soul, but not this part. Thank you. But for some reason, you have your tongue out. Frick you. Freak. Feel the strongest battlegrounds.
Hey! Huh? Put that conventionally attractive male down.
What?
Oh, Jay, you're sometimes kind of mean to me.
At
And
least
I
you're not
wish you
mean.
weren't. Just some constructive criticism.
Nice. I'm gonna Now I'm just gonna turn to the Quetzalcoatl and
back after I
demolish
right-size
them.
your existence.
Okay, which one do you want?
Jay, please.
I'm gonna be nice to people who are actually not bad. And yoink! Yes, yes, yes. I never knew I'd be this happy from a robot getting hurt. But yes. Yeah.
Damn the well-made, quality assured derp.
Hi. You stupid fly. Why does there have to be like 10,000 flies out? Hold on, I'll be right back. Honk, honk, honk. Honk, honk, honk. Jessica. Santi. Santi, big back. Now run.
Ability of JC Jensen product.
This is, bro, if you're an OG, you remember I made a video about this part where I used this part and then I put 20. Wasn't even laughing. And drop kick. Haha. My legs are so tired.
Ah! My mind's in a weird place! Don't read into this!
What? Fuck. Oh, how did Uzi shoot? Like Tiny Miss should have shot me. Never knew I'd see two Murzones fighting over like 100,000 miles per hour.
Uzi! I'm so sorry. Have fun repressing this.
Ooh! Brother, ooh! Same, B! Same! It's the only part where I don't hate you at all! Ooh! Honestly, you're still freaky. Because I don't know why, when you use an ender pearl, you're Jane Chung with that! But same! Same! Same, B! Same! Why? Oh, now you're awake.
You've got a lot of guts for a barely sentient toaster. I've had prey like that before, but your edgy spirit is just so...
Me and you, Jay, got hurt. Me and you, Jay, got hurt. I fell on rocks, and your own tail just demolished your foot.
Company leadership retreat!
Bro, you didn't even
Buzzword
flip.
and I'll do it.
What? Why is she so happy? What do you want? What do you want? Honk. Hi. Nothing.
Nothing.
In nature.
Yeah, you're in nature on a tablet, no?
Yeah.
You're funny.
How?
You're so cute, bro. You watching your brother? No.
No. What?
Bro, why
Honk.
you got a tablet, bro.
His iPad?
You're such an iPad kid, bro.
You are.
I don't even think he has an iPad.
Say that again, Junior.
Whatever. Goodbye, goose. Goodbye, geese. And she's so happy. She's so happy to die. Honk. Honestly, Jay, I'll honk for you. I'll turn into a goose. Honk, 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 honk. Okay, goodbye. Where did they even go? Where did they even go? I don't care about you, you stupid ass.
You're really buying a car online on AutoTrader?
Really?
You can really buy the car totally online.
And really have it delivered by.
Holy hell, Uzi, that was insane! And you too,
Huh? No, N. I'm an angsty, rebellious disassembly drone now.
What?
I brought the murder drones here accidentally. You chose to leave me for dead instead of just frickin' believing in me. That's not even
I
an
know.
anti-teen hyperbole like when I said it last week. I'll save you the trouble, Dad. I vanished myself.
There's so many flies right there.
Let's go, Ann. Everyone here can bite me.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Uzi.
Shut it.
Number one, Dad, that is not accurate. Oh, what's that? Is that the sun? Airplane!
I'd join you if the sun didn't kill me. Hope you're having important character growth or something, though.
Just can't wait to murder all humans. Classic robot stuff.
You already
I hope they're sitting
did,
pretty there,
miss.
because we're coming for them.
You already did murder them. Shut up, please. Shut up. This is the end of... Yo, there's more? That's the end. Farm. No. Hold on, I want to... What? Honk! Whatever. Honk! 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 Whatever, frick you. Ugh, why am I breathing so much? What do you want? She voiced me. Yo. Okay, so yeah. Goodbye, everybody.